Hi, Senator Vax. How are you dealing with anti-vaxxers in America? We're bribing the idiots. We've tried gift cards, fishing licenses, and tickets to amusement parks. Did it work? I would have offered them bananas. Ooh, ah! Only on some of them. So we offered free beer and shotguns for the rest of them. Isn't that dangerous? I hope so. It will help get rid of some of them. Let's make America great again. And if you think giving out free beer and shotguns will result in mass slaughter, why don't you subscribe to Shams Among Comic on YouTube for more? Ooh, ah!